Baby alligators.
Good afternoon. Hi, this is Mark Frazier with Florida Adventures in Railroading.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Coming to you today from Green Cove Springs. This is actually the North Florida Railway Museum. Here we see their 44-tonner. It's been all sanded down, primed, ready for finish coat paint. They are working on this and getting it running. Next is the car that was the North Florida chapter NRHS baggage car, Northern Pacific baggage car. This car worked on the Norfolk Southern steam era excursions. It was Great Northern number 676. This car originally was built as an aquarium car. This car hauled fresh fish from out in the Northwest to Chicago so that they could have the fresh fish.
San Diego, San Diego, fish, San Diego.
Next in line is ACL 7. This is a heavyweight RPO car. This car had been used in maintenance away service last, and there's the group here is doing a lot of work to the car, and they have some future plans for it. Could be kind of exciting. One of their members here, Benjamin, has been working very diligently on this car. He's going around repairing rust, patching holes, doing some welding, and trying to get it ready for new paint. I'll let Benjamin tell you about that another time here. The 610 Sleeper there was the Florida East Coast Bohemian. It was sold to Via, and it became their Deep River. Now, this car would have had stainless steel sheeting on the side, and right here we see the hallway side, but the 6 windows. That's the area that the 6 double bedrooms are in. On down here, the 5 windows down the side. That's for 5 roomettes. There's actually 10 total. There's 5 on the other side of the car. And built by Pullman. Here we see the North Florida Railway Museum's freight equipment. Southern boxcar, ACL boxcar, and Southern caboose. Let's take a look at these a little bit closer. And then we have the Southern caboose. I know that there's been a lot of restoration work done on the inside. There's the other end and the classic Southern portal on this end. You're going to close it down here today at Green Cove Springs. Be sure to come out and visit the North Florida Railway Museum on every 1st, 3rd, and 5th Saturday of the month. Also, come out and take a look, but please respect the work that they've done. Now, I want to also remind you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you from St. Mary's, Georgia.